the fast track to English fluency. Hi everyone, I'm Dan, and what I'm about to reveal is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how to master English in just a few months by following this exact roadmap. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, go to ChatGPT and ask for a list of basic phrases using the verbs on the screen right now. These are the highest frequency verbs in daily life, so learning them first is a total game changer. You can use this prompt as well on the board. Next, use news in levels to see these verbs in action through real-world news stories. To train your ears, watch children's cartoons with English subtitles and tune into Radio Garden Live. I highly recommend LBC London for a British accent or WNY CFM for an American accent. Don't stress about understanding every word yet. We have to acclimatise before we can comprehend. Once that feels comfortable, move on to videos by native teachers, just like the one you're watching now. We use richer vocabulary and speak clearly, and there are almost always subtitles. While you're at it, check out our latest podcast episode, which is somewhere here on the screen. When you're ready for a challenge, switch to native content about topics you actually enjoy. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to start real conversations. Pro tip, never write down isolated words. Your brain will forget them in days. Instead, write down the word in a notebook and create at least 4 sentences that are meaningful to you. For example, if you learn the verb teach, you might write, chick. I teach English on YouTube to help people worldwide. I will teach a new lesson on phrasal verbs tomorrow. I taught my friends some cool English slang yesterday. Do this daily and fluency will follow. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and click the link in the description to accelerate your learning. Follow us on social media and for heaven's sake, take action. I can't wait to hear about your progress.